Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with the instant noodles. I'll fix your wagon. Yeah. Anyways, so I got one that came out of a ramen trunk. You can check them out at ramentrunk.com. Use the coupon code Ramen Raider 20 off for 20% off a single or a multiple blah blah blah. Yeah, go check them out. It's fancy stuff. This is, God, what is it called? Red Guard, Black something. I can't remember. It's like so freaking weird and fancy that I can't remember the name. Can you believe that? I am serious too. So it's got like noodles that are, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Can you see the waviness in these? There's like these weird little wavy, maybe you can kind of, but they're supposed to be like willow or something. Yeah, I don't know, but that's kind of cool. It's so auspicious on this auspicious day of days. Oh, if you're wondering, I'm doing these two reviews are the same day, so it's still tomorrow that I go see the doctor. But you won't hear about it for a few days, so but I don't know. Oh, and it's four minutes. So yeah, I'm jazzed. It's I gotta say, it's a change to be like, man, I'm stoked, I'm going to the doctor. I don't think most people have that feeling. Although, the last time I went to the doctor because my feet hurt, I told them all the stuff that I was doing. They're like, you look great, you're doing wonderful, awesome, cool, great, yeah, keep it up. You know, so it's like, okay. But my feet hurt. And I keep murder my stove. I mean, they're gonna put new stoves and junk in here, right? So can I murder it? I'll ask them when they're taking out. It's like, do you guys have like a hammer I can use and like hit the stove? So, where are my tickets? Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Yeah. So, when we went on our walk this morning, I got this thing the other day, and it's called a boroscope, and it was $10 on eBay. In fact, it came up saying, hey, cool thing, you gotta get it. And it's like a long wire, and at the end is a camera. So you can like, I don't know, do some kind of weird medical procedures with it if you really want to. And you can plug it into a phone, and instant winner, aspirin. But you can do that. Well, it didn't work for crap, and the software that it uses is like absolute crap. So I was like, man. But I tried doing it with my wife's old phone, and she has an old Galaxy S7 Edge, and she's like, use that. I'm like, okay. So I ended up setting it at regular HD and checking on it every once in a while. But I already compiled it into one video, and it looks like it was around 50 cents off jerky. Yeah, like 8 gigs, 8.6 gigs, and it's 1280 by 720, and it's over 2.5 hours long. Oh, you're boiling good enough. Last ticket, sweet. We actually got through everything. We got a minute or so left. Keep it minute or so. And this one is a absolute zero. So cool. So this is one of those that you cook the noodles, you drain them, and then you add in liquid and stuff. So instead of having a separate pot, I just microwave the water. So much easier. A little tip from me to you. like kneading your sachets. If you don't do it, you might end up with funk or the inability to get to the funk you want. Oh, come on, scissors. They were right here. There they are. Bleed out! It's bleeding out! Yeah, I'm standing up. It's funny because people like give me crap and say, why don't you stand up? You're so lazy. It's like, dude, I like walked 8 miles this morning or whatever. What did you do? Did you bitch at people on YouTube? That's fun. Maybe you ought to not. Oh, that's tasty. Alright, let's drain this sucker. Let's get Rotato over here. Come here, Rotato. Got Rotato. Draining noodles. Noodles in bowl. Noodles on Rotato. Good. Tall broth. Okay. Back up, you. Alright, let's have a looky at what we got here. That looks like a really nice bowl of noodles. However, what's going to happen when I drop that egg in there, I wonder. Let's see if you can see this all right. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah! I lost my stupid scissors again. I really need like a scissor leash. Ah! Oh, come on. You broth people. Man. Wow. Talk about crummy. There we go. Get out of my sight. Okay. Alright, well, I forgot to try the noodles, so let's do that. Gluttony. That's tasty. Okay. I'll throw some pork in. I'm really not happy about how these noodles are reacting or hanging out. That's a little better. I'm gonna skip the mung bean sprouts, I think. And since it's kind of a shoyu thing going on, think that's fitting, don't you? Oh, I can't get enough of this habanero togarashi. Oh, I'm about to have enough. It's about gone. So there. Rotato, wake up, do your thing. I forgot there's another sachet. And I don't know what it is, and I gotta put it on here. Crap. It doesn't seem to be, it seems to be like, oh, it's a powder. We gotta give it a stir and give it a taste. Okay. I don't know what that was. It's a good one. I like this. Anyways, this has been Hans, the Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. And, yeah, I am out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.